बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are very fine at your homes. Student, we have learned in our previous class about naming words. So our today's topic is also, we will continue the topic. We have two topics here. First we will solve the page number 2 and then we will solve the page number 3. Okay students, you know everything has the name. Okay, you can look around you, different types of things, you can write different see different things on different places. So these things have the different names. Okay, so everything has a name. So here we have one more topic, relate this. So what is the topic? Take out your books. This is the page number 2. Page number 2. Open the page number 2. Take out your pencil. And the topic is names of more things. Okay, what is the topic? Repeat with me. Names of some more things. So let's start the working on your book. Page should be maintained. Sharpen your pencil. Okay, what is the topic? Here are pictures of some more things. Okay, their names are given in the list below. You can see here a list. Here you can see the different types of names. Okay, first let's start the reading. We will read the names of things. The first name is bell, balloon, doll, cake, frog, shoe, chair, table and bed. Okay, what we have to do here? We will write these names under these pictures. Okay, what is the question? Write the name of each thing under its picture. Okay, you can see here lots of things. You will write, choose the names and write under the picture. What is this, class? Yes, this is, what is this? Now we will find the name in the list. It is a cake. So where is the cake? Here, cake. So you will write the spelling of cake here, C-A-K-E-K. Done. Second is, what is this? Shoe. So you will write the spelling of shoe. Where is the spelling of shoe? You can see here in the list, shoe. What is the spelling? S-H-O-E, shoe. So here you will write the spelling of shoe, S-H-O-E, shoe. Have you done? Now come on the next picture. What is this? Do you like balloons? Okay, very good. I like also. So you will write the spelling of balloons. Where is the spelling of balloon? Now we will find where is the spellings here. What is the spelling? B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. Where is the spelling? Here. Now you will write under the picture of balloon. Spelling B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. Now come on the next picture. What is this? Frog. Okay, you will write the spelling of frog here. Where is the spelling of frog? Now we will find here. What is the spelling? F-R-O-G, frog. So you will write the spelling of frog here. What is the spelling? F-R-O-G, frog. Done. Now do. Next picture is, what is this? Chair. So we will write the spelling of chair. First you will find in the list, where is the spelling of chair? Here, C-H-A-I-R. Now you will write these spellings here, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Done. Okay, what is the next picture? Next picture is doll. Do you have toys? Okay, yes girls, do you have doll? Very good. So you can see here a beautiful doll. So where is the spelling of doll? Where is the spelling? Here. What is the spelling? D-O-L-L, doll. Now you will write the spelling here, D-O-L-L, doll. Done. Now come on the next row. What is this? What is this? This is a bell. So we will find the spelling of bell in the list. Where is the spelling here? So what is the spelling? B-E-L-L, bell. Now you will write the spelling here under the picture. B-E-L-L, bell. Done. Okay. What is this? Bat. What is the spelling of bat? We will find in the list. Where is the spelling of bat? Here. And what is the spelling? B-E-D, bat. You will write the spelling here. B-E-D, bat. Have you done? Now come on the next picture. What is this? Table. Now you will write the spelling of table. First you will see. You can copy the spelling under the picture. What is the spelling? T-A-B-L-E, table. So you will write the spelling T-A-B-L-E. So students, we have done this page. You can identify the pics and write the names under the picture. The first one is cake, shoe, balloon, frog, chair, doll, bell, bag, table. Now we have done page number 2. Okay. Now turn the next page. This is the page number 3. And we have one more new topic here. What is the topic? This is the topic number 3. Every morning. Maintain the page also just like the previous one. Here you can see some more things. These are some things that you use every day. Just like we have used lots of things. You can see every day we can use different types of things. You can see these things on different places, and these things have the different names. So look into the mirror to find their names. Here we have some names of things. Let's start the reading. Read with me. The first one is toothbrush. Second is toothpaste, towel, soap, comb, shampoo and brush. Now we will write these names in front of these pictures. This is the exercise B. Write the names in the boxes. You can see here some boxes. You will write the correct name in front of these pictures. What is this? What is this? Yes, who is telling me? Brush. Very good. Now we will see on the mirror. Where is the spelling of brush? Here. So you will write the spelling of brush. B-R-U-S-H. So the first picture is, you will write, have you write brush. Then come on the next box. The next picture is soap. We will use the soap for the cleanliness of your body, of your hands. So where we will write the soap? Here. So where is the spelling? First let's find the where is the spelling the soap? Here. Now what is the spelling? S-O-A-P, soap. So here you will write in front of this picture, in this box, the spelling of soap. What is the spelling of soap? S-O-A-P, soap. Done. Now come on the next box. What is this? Shampoo. Shampoo is also used for cleanliness of your hairs. So first we will write the spelling. Here first we will read shampoo, S-H-A-M-P-O-O. Here you will write the spelling, correct spelling, S-H-A-M-P-O-O, shampoo. Done. Now come on the next box. The next box is here. Okay. So first we will identify the picture. Yes, what is this? This is comb. So first you will find the spelling of comb. Where is the spelling of comb? You can see on the mirror. What is the spelling? C-O-M-B, comb. Now you will write the spelling here. Comb. C-O-M-B, comb. Have you done? Have you done all of you? Good. Now come on the next box. What is this? This one. This one is toothbrush. So you will write the spelling of toothbrush. Where is the spelling? Here. Toothbrush. So you will write here, you will copy the spelling here on their correct place. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. Now the next word is brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Have you done? Okay, now come on the next box. Next picture is towel. So where is the spelling of towel? T-O-W-E-L. Now you will write the spelling, you will copy the correct spelling in the box. T-O-W-E-L, towel. Done. Last box, what is this? You can see here, this is a toothpaste. So you will write the spelling of toothpaste. T-O-O-T-H, tooth, P-A-S-T-E, paste, toothpaste. So students, you can see here different types of things on different places, and these all the things have the names. Means there is nothing without names. So here we have learned some more names. Number 1, brush, soap, shampoo, comb, toothbrush, towel and toothpaste. Now we have done page number 2 and page number 3. You will do the page number 2 and 3 in your book. This is your homework. Okay, I hope you have learned the more names. You have learned the more names of the things, and these things you can see around us, and you have remembered this thing. Everything has name. Means there is nothing without name. Okay, okay students, you will do this page very neat and clean. Page number 2, page number 3. This is your book work. Okay, so students, take care. Allah Hafiz.